Welcome, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So to do that, we should first launch the Gmail application, and after that let's tap on the right upper corner and we can see here that we are logged into the Gmail account in Gmail app. If you want to log out from this account in your Gmail application, you should log out from this account in Google account settings on your device. To do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, and after that just select this account. To log out from this account, just click here remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. Then just tap here to OK, verify that it's you. You can, if you have, for example, just the face recognition or the fingerprint sensor or the pattern, so you can use one from these methods. And after that we can see that we are logged out successfully from in Google account in our Gmail, from Gmail account in our Google account settings. And after that, let's go back to the application and we can also see that we are logged in from Gmail account in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.